I was really excited when these come in. So they are Tamiya's latest offerings from us in a huge shipment this week. Racing trucks.
Oh, so what do we got? We've got a couple of different bodies.
We've got a fresh shipment of Tamiya Euro racing trucks.
Cool.
And these are built on the TT-01 E series Euro truck spec.
Yep.
And these are really popular. Get it going, entry into racing. Super popular up at Bendigo.
Yep.
Who we've got a really good relationship. So this is going to really help get newbies into the sport of RC racing. Not even racing, you just go to the track and circulate and just learn the craft.
Well, I mean, you get to build it, and then the chassis themselves aren't super complicated. No, so you still learn, and you don't get overwhelmed by the build.
That's right. They're four-wheel drive touring car spec, yes. I'll say. And we'll leave that to the next one. But the Euro trucks, yeah. The hardest thing, honestly, about these kits is the bodies. The bodies are quite finicky. And if you've never built an RC kit before, just take your time to cut it out. There's about 5-6 different panels to cut.
Yeah, as bodies go, it is pretty complicated, isn't it, compared to a touring car?
Yep. And these ones here are both the same model, like same chassis, TT-01E, but two different body styles.
Yeah. So one with a long nose.
We've got the cab over and we've got the long nose.
Yeah.
So you can have one of each. I don't know which one handles better or worse. This is the one that I was racing up at Bendigo the other week, the Bugger Ray Fox. Matty Jenkins let me have a squeeze on his, and it was
he was brave, wasn't he?
It was kicking butt. That's right. It came back in one piece. You want to speak to somebody about borrowing cars? Man, ask Will. How's his cars looking?
Who? Will's? Oh, yeah. Should we get into that? So we were at the track the other day at a kilo, and Will was kind enough to bring in some of his, not rearies, originals.
Originals. Yep. Original wild one.
Yep.
Original what else?
What else was it?
Something else he broke.
Yeah. Everything I drove I broke. So
hot shot?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Will.
Because it's just an old brittle. One of them, the wheels.
So the wheels started coming apart.
I didn't even get to see it circulate. I was just sitting at my pit tables and everything like that.
Fantastic.
Did it?
Yeah, going around looked fantastic. Until the wheel fell apart.
That's right. Yep. And we took the frog out with the big. Actually, I should go get the frog in a minute if you want to see it.
Yeah, with the racing tyres.
With the big racing tyres on.
Huge difference.
We can talk about that in a second. Yep. So, last thing from the Tamiya shipment that I'm going to show today. Now, I said the trucks were on a TT-01 chassis.
Yep.
Now, this is also TT-01 chassis, as the boxes say.
Classic CLK. Now, why is the CLK pretty famous? Is that because it flew upside down and it went sliding for a while and it rubbed down all the way down to his helmet?
Mark Webber did actually crash one. Yeah.
Flicked.
That was before he was an F1 driver. The year before he started in F1. So, yeah. That one there super special because it belonged to Brett.
Hey.
That one there I've actually earmarked for myself.
That's there you go. Can help yourself, can you?
This one up here, I believe, is Aaron DeFina's.
Oh.
It's Audi.
Right.
That's quite an iconic.
What is it? An 80?
1992 V8.
Oh, it's a V8.
Yeah.
A big chunker munker.
That's right.
Okay.
And down here we've got a brand new model Porsche.
Yep.
And this is the first time. And the Porsche is probably the sleek and the fastest one.
What is it, GT3?
Yeah. These ones here are just old school cool.
Yep.
And these are all based on the same as the truck chassis, the TT-01. They all come with clear polycarbonate bodies. They don't have speed controllers.
This was the TT-02.
Oh, TT-02. Which one?
The top one. Pretty similar though. I mean, they're just evolution.
The TT-02 is an evolution.
Yeah.
And from all reports, it probably handles a little better, but doesn't have the robust, the strength and the robustness.
It's not as beefy
of the TT-01.
Yeah.
So neither of them come with bearings, and yeah, they are super cool, entry level into racing. Yeah, get yourself one of these Tamiya kits and get yourself down the track.
Yeah.
Like I said, the only thing you need to finish it off really is the Tamiya pack. You need the transmitter, you need a steering servo, battery charger, and then your 9-step speed controller, and you're good to go.
Yep.
So throw into that as well. You could do a bearing kit. Really want to build.
Fully recommend the bearing kit.
If it's going to be a shelf queen or you're not going to use it much, then bushes are fine. There's nothing wrong with bushes, but if you do plan on using it a lot, do yourself a favor. Spend the extra $30 or whatever it is.
Yeah, it's not expensive.
Get yourself a bearing kit. We sell them here at Hearns, and your models will have less slop, gears will last longer, your axles will last longer.
Yep. Sure.
It'll just generally be a nicer car to drive and own.
Yep.
So they are Tamiya's latest offerings from us in a huge shipment this week.